channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. I do a lot of natural hair care, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on these internet streets, streaming. And today I'm going to talk about detangling. Okay, I have gone through a lot of different methods, from starting with the comb to trying out the Denman brush, the Tangle Teaser, the Felicia Leatherwood brush, the Easy Detangler, some counterfeit stuff like you guys, my fingers. And I've always enjoyed using my fingers because I can really feel the tangles in my hair. I'm a lot gentler on my hair, and honestly, for me, it's faster. And that is a shock. Listen, this past year I've done a lot of new and exciting things to my hair routine, mainly because I'm learning from other people and I wanted to do it the right way. Well, sometimes another person's right way is not necessarily your right way, which is why there are no rules. Ladies, gents, non-binary, listen, there are no rules to any of this stuff at all. It is very important that you assess what's working, what's not working. For me, I love to experiment, but guess what? I decided to go back to the basics, and I posted this video a little while ago where I just went through all of my wash day routines and how I detangled, and I looked at all of the mistakes I'm making now and the ones I was making then. I reassessed, and I wanted to just pull together the things that were actually working for me, and I'm showing you in this video. Hey loves, it's time to wash this hair. It's been in a high puff all week and it looks and feels pretty dry. The first thing I like to do is separate my strands a bit so the water can penetrate faster and lower the risk of unnecessary tangling. Y'all know I love watching my TV shows in the shower, especially since I know it's going to be a longer session. It just keeps me very patient. As always, I'm going to wet my hair under the shower head water, and at all costs try to use the flow of the water to keep my hair elongated as it begins to revert. You can use whatever shampoo you want, but because I'm using a shampoo made specifically for my scalp, I'm keeping it concentrated towards my roots and trying my best not to disturb the lengths of my hair. By now, my hair has almost reverted back to its primary length, so I like to try my best not to pile my hair on my head as I'm rinsing the shampoo from my scalp and roots. I forgot to hit the record button. So here's footage from one of my last wash routines, applying shampoo in a downward motion to keep the hair stretched. Especially when using a shampoo that's only for my scalp, I like to follow up with a shampoo for my hair strands. This isn't something I've always done, so it's been a nice addition to my wash routine because it ensures buildup is removed from my hair strands as well. Here's where I take advantage of having clips for my hair. I'm going to use them to secure my hair into 4 sections, with one section loose to begin the detangling process. I ended up switching to the front left section of my hair so that you could see easier. And I'm using my current most used conditioner and applying the cream to the ends of my hair and working my way up to the roots. I'm keeping my hair as stretched as much as I can and smoothing the conditioner through. In the past, I have videos in which I've applied my conditioner a little reckless in some areas, but I'm staying focused and intentional. Once the hair is coated with conditioner, I clip it onto my hair again, after winding it into a loose bun to keep it stretched. After cleansing my body and grooming, I get to work with detangling. I remove one section of hair, wet it with more water, and use my fingers to rake through the hair. First, I rake through to find larger tangles, and then I fine-tune, starting at the ends and rake closer up to my roots as the tangles release. The whole time I'm trying to keep my hair as stretched out as possible. I keep mentioning this because trust me, it is going to save you some time. Then I'll turn on the shower water and continue my raking motion under the water to rinse it and remove the last tangles. I also take this opportunity to twist my hair into smaller sections to make sure that the section stays tangle-free. Then I roll on my twist into a loose bun, clip, and move to the next section. Once all of my twists are in, I do a final rinse of my hair. Remember to also do what's best for your hair and your lifestyle. Experiment if you'd like, and adapt to what sticks. That concludes my finger detangling session. See you in a few days. Mwah! So moving forward, when my hair is loose, that is the routine that I'm gonna be sticking with. It works for me, I love it. And this is not to knock any other kind of way of doing it. You do you, boo. But this is what's been working for me for the past 5 years. And I'm sticking to it. True to the technique. Oh my God, I thought that was gonna go somewhere and it didn't. It just really didn't. Like true to do it. Like what was it that I was trying to say? Anyway, this year I'm actually gonna be doing a lot of protective styles. Very exciting, not only for this channel, but also for my acting career. It's gonna be a really interesting ride. And I'm gonna be taking you along with me every step of the way. Very excited. So, make sure you subscribe. If you missed my last video, I'm gonna put it right there, okay? I know this is a hair video, so I'm putting a hair video right here, okay? If you're into fashion, I'm gonna put a fashion video right here, okay? So subscribe so you can keep up to date on the hair goods and shenanigans. And I gotta go get my nails done. I'll talk to you guys in a couple days, okay? Usually it's a Monday or a Thursday. I'll see you, bye.